Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the "we couldn't verify that this account belongs to you" error on Cash App. Let's jump right into it. Close the page if you encounter this error while trying to log in. First, ensure that you've entered the correct credentials, like your passcode or cash tag. If it persists, simply close the page and try again. Check Cash App status. Open any browser and search for Cash App status. Tap on the first result to check if Cash App is experiencing any issues. If not, proceed to the next step. Log out from other devices. If the issue persists, ensure that you're not logged into your Cash App account on any other device. Log out from other devices and try logging in again on the current device. Force restart your device. If none of the above steps work, try force restarting your device. Sometimes a glitch in the device can cause such errors. After the restart, attempt to log in again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the "we couldn't verify that this account belongs to you" error on Cash App. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more content. See you next time.